Hey there, back again. So today I'm going to talk about what is a syncopation. And basically a syncopation is the splitting of a beat. So I have a very good example, a few examples coming up after this, but basically the splitting of a beat, so you have straight time, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you start adding like the and, so the 1 and, that is going to be your syncopation or your splitting of the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay. So that's basically, it is part of like beat structure, but also when applying it to dance, it's a way to basically break out of counting straight time and adding something in, like maybe a spin in between that syncopation, or going from straight time to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, depending on what you're doing with your style of dance, or depending on what the music is you're listening to as well. So I will be coming out with like a physical demo on the dance floor again behind me after you watch the syncopation demonstration or videos. I just like to give other perspectives because why not have a handful of perspectives versus just mine. I'm not always going to be able to bring the point across to you, but maybe bringing other people's videos in as well will help get the point across. So that's why I'm doing that for this series, and it seems to be working really well so far. So just want to say thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And enjoy learning about syncopations. It's pretty fun, interesting concept. So as always, keep shuffling, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Later.